Ever wondered how a hammer mill works? It's a question that might have crossed your mind, and today we're here to unravel the mystery. At the heart of a hammer mill, there's a spinning rotor. Attached to this rotor, you'll find a bunch of swinging hammerheads, all ready to put in the work. These hammers are the unsung heroes of the process, swinging out radially when the rotor spins around. Think of them as the strong arms of a blacksmith tirelessly pounding away. This action takes place inside a hardened casing, a sturdy shell that can withstand the relentless hammering. Inside this casing, the magic of transformation takes place. Raw materials enter, and what comes out is entirely different. But what happens in between? The casing isn't just an empty shell, it has a screen fitted onto its lower part. This screen isn't just any screen, it's a sieve that can be customized according to the desired particle size. So, if you need a coarse grind, you'd use a larger screen. For a finer grind, a smaller screen does the trick. Here's where the hammer mill shows its true colors. The material enters the mill, and the hammers swing into action. They crush and pulverize the material, turning it into dust or powder. This process continues until the material is fine enough to pass through the screen at the bottom of the casing. But what if you need to control the size of the particles you're producing? Well, that's where the hammer mill's versatility shines. By changing the speed of the rotor, the type of hammer, and the shape and size of the screen, you can easily control the particle size of the material you're grinding. So, to recap, the hammer mill works in a few simple steps. First, the material enters the mill, then the hammers swing into action, crushing and pulverizing the material against the casing. This continues until the material is fine enough to pass through the screen at the bottom of the casing. And voila, you have your ground material. But that's not all. The hammer mill isn't just fast, it's adaptable too. It can grind many different types of materials, making it a versatile tool for various industries. From grain mills to pharmaceutical companies, the hammer mill is a key player in many operations. So the next time you see a finely ground material, remember the hammer mill. It's the unsung hero that took raw materials and transformed them into something new and useful. The hammer mill, ladies and gentlemen, is a masterpiece of engineering simplicity and effectiveness.